We set off on what was meant to be a 1-year lap of Australia. That was nearly 4 years ago now, travelling and working around Australia. Fast forward with now a caravan after living in North and South Queensland, the Northern Territory, and recently just finishing up a 6-month contract in Victoria on the mighty Murray River. It was time to once again relocate to our new home, a new adventure, and a much anticipated state.
It's pretty crazy, but this part of the Nullarbor becomes an emergency landing strip for the RFDS. Crazy.
Should see if we can take off. How far are we to West Australia?
Probably like 8 kilometres. It's taken how long to get there?
3.5 years. Western Australia quarantine. Really a bit nervous.
3.5 years it's taken us to get here.
Should we turn back?
No!
Forgot my wallet. Nearly got it on the house, babe.
Why?
I'm walking there, there's a couple of backpackers working and they're like, "Are you tricking?" And I said, "Yeah." I said, "Don't worry, it's on the house." I'm like, "Oh really, why?" They're like, "Because you're a truckie." I said, "Oh no, I'm not a truckie." So I thought I was a truckie.
Oh.
Oh no, that's a good thing or a bad thing.
I was going to say, is it the hat?
I reckon it's a hat. Hat and the beard. And the beer belly.
So we don't actually have that much because we've been living quite sparsely. I had to throw the tomato away and the lemon, I'm pretty sure, because we don't have any internet, so I can't double check these things, but it says no fruit. We've got some frozen berries and bananas. We froze some bananas earlier. And then there's just garlic and there's one onion because the other onion was scabby. So
happy days.
Happy days.
So we should put that in the bin somewhere else.
Yeah, there's a bin just behind that big kangaroo thing.
Cool bananas. Border Village, which is the roadhouse at the border crossing into WA. Just hanging out with my mate True Blue Rui. Doesn't mind a bit of Vegemite. So yeah, just popped in, got a coffee, got quarantine over here. There's a big list on things you can't bring into WA. So but what we have to do is we've got onion we have to peel, also garlic we have to peel, and we have to throw away some honey. We've got some fruit, but it's frozen, so that's all good. So yeah, it's a bit of a detailed list on what you can and can't bring into WA. So yeah, make sure you double check that list and make sure you're all good to cross. But it's finally happening after 3.5 years, nearly 4 years actually, of traveling and working on the road. It's finally time to dip our toes into Western Australia. I've got a feeling we're going to be here for a while.
We don't... What do you think?
Oh, good. Here you go.
Yeah. So where are we?
Ashburn River.
Yeah. So we've picked this site because it's nice and big. It's nice and shady. It's not too hot.
Oh, it's beautiful. We've got fresh water. Then you'll see a weir down there, and that's the salt water. So nice and close to the salt water for a bit of fishing, maybe a bit of crab.
Maybe.
But now we're going to get that in here.
So Troopy girl has towed this big Bessie for So it's 4,500 kilometers all up, but we've done 4,200 now. She's done it in like 5 or 6 days, and we were both, not like we thought something was going to happen to her, but you know, it's a lot. She, you know, even the caravan, like it's a lot to do in that amount of time, and we don't like traveling that way, as we've said before, but it was just that we wanted to get to warmth, and my contract starts soon. Anyway, we will start getting ready. We have wanted to come to this river for years and years, and especially, so probably about 2 months ago I was offered a position at the Onslow. So that's literally about, how far is Onslow? Like 30 kilometers? But it's like a dirt road, 30 kilometers too. But anyway, offered a position there. So we did heaps of research 2 months ago, and we were like, wow, that was that river. Anyway, fortunately, oh, pelicans.
Babe, we've got casualties.
What?
Go.
Oh, breadboards. Okay. Oh no! Spewing!
Corrugations.
Oh no. So we're actually, these are for Ash's bricklaying. I was worried about a breadboard and my throw. But we've got, our rack fell off. I was just using those Velcro straps, but obviously I put 2 jar plants in there. I made them up, and oh, RIP, glass everywhere. Fuck, excuse my French. Oh no. Well, that's what you get for a bit of styling. Oopsie.
Rightio, so it's that time of the afternoon. The sun's not setting, but it's getting pretty close. It's time to prepare for a bit of tucker. Let's see what Smithy's doing up in here. What's going on here, Smithy?
We are having rice pepper rolls.
Happy days. We've done these a few times before, eh?
Yeah, we do love them. It's been a while though, because we've been down in Mildura, so I don't know about anybody else, but you want to eat food that's warm and comforting, but now we want nice, cooling and refreshing food.
Yeah, Mildura was all like roast and spaghetti bolognese and just heavy meals.
Slow cooked meals. Yeah.
Now that we're in a better climate, it's all light, easy meals.
Yeah, so anyway, we just, I put a bit of hoisin, a bit of garlic and white pepper in there, and then Ash is going to barbecue them, and then we're just going to, I haven't looked at these since getting here. It's a bit of a corrugated road, so that's okay, not too bad. But anyway, rice noodles, and then you wrap them up in the rice pepper rolls. We'll show you the end product. So I'm just making a sauce to go with it too, and I've just put a little bit of leftover boiling water, and basically it's like a satay sauce. So like a couple of tablespoons of sweet chili, maybe like a teaspoon of soy. I use this dark soy and it's turned it real dark color, but anyway, it'll still be fine. And then whatever peanut butter you've got in there, and yeah, it makes like a really nice like dipping sauce. I think I am going to put some curry. Have you shown my spice rack? I got this off Temu, and I'm not going to lie, I don't really like all those Temu ones, but anyway, I got it off Temu. So a little bit of curry powder, maybe some chili flakes too, make it a bit more satay like. could even put some sesame seeds in there. Ash, would you want that?
Oh yeah.
I got this recipe from when I was like a teenager. And I now just kind of make it work with whatever I've got in the pantry. Salivating, Ash?
Mm-hmm. Always.
Messy, but anyway, that's it. And then put it in. And there we have it.
Jumbo roll.
I know, they're quite big. They make rolls. They're too full, aren't they?
Fish on, metal slug. Feels like a queenie. Ew. First fish. Come on, buddy. Yes. Happy days. Baby little queenie. Happy days. First fish in Western Australia. Massive bird's nest, eh? I don't know. I don't think anyone's home, but any crocodilies? Rachel's just
Okay, I love you.
Love you, bye. Rachel's just giving me a call. Going for a little morning walk. This is the causeway, so the salt and the fresh. Camping both sides. I'm going to pick Rachel up and we're going to go and we'll go for a bit of a little fandangle. How are you, hot stuff? So Rachel's decided to join in on the adventure. She's going on a little morning walk and I picked her up on the way, so going for a bit of a cruise. We're coming towards the river mouth, so there's heaps of camping out here too, but there's not really many people out here because of the mozzies and
Bugs.
poor bugger. I think he was crossing the Sahara. What a waste. Rightio, so yeah, not a lot has been going on really after that fishing session. We've just been chilling out. Had a good old nap for a couple of hours there. The weather's taken a bit of a turn. Like, it's still beautiful, great temperature. It's just overcast, and it's kind of good in a way because it means you're just not getting cooked alive with the heat. So yeah, it's just perfect temperature. Yeah, it's our last night here. It's our third night. We're deciding to move on tomorrow. So tonight we're going to have the biggest fire for the night. Got a big old stonking pile of wood there. another cook up, bit of a chill out. Unfortunately, yeah, we won't do any stargazing tonight or you know, get a sunset because she's grey and overcast as it can be, but still loving it. Beautiful temperature, nice breeze. So it's time to get this fire sorted, and we'll see what we're cooking up for dinner. So we're just kicking back, and it's this we've just seen this massive wedgie. Rachel's filming it right now on the other side of the river there, and it's getting just attacked by these whistling kites, and the wedgie is just on the ground there, and it's having a bit of a feast. So with the kites attacking it, we're kind of thinking that maybe it's stolen, like a baby kite, or
just their tucker.
Or just their tucker, or eggs or something.